Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Naura Hawani binti Muhammad Sahidan. Today I am making ice cream mochi. These are the ingredients: glutinous rice flour, corn flour, sugar, water, coconut milk, vanilla essence, and food coloring. I'm also using orange and grapes for decoration. And not forgetting our special ingredients, ice cream. Before we start cooking, we must recite basmalah and selawat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. Mix flour and sugar. Coconut milk and water bit by bit. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add food coloring as desired. Steam for 20 minutes. For the dough to cook, prepare 6 ice cream scoops. Put in the freezer for 30 minutes. Heat 2 tablespoons glutinous rice flour. Cut the grapes for decoration. Once the dough has cooled down, roll it and divide into 6 portions. Put flour on the mat. Flatten the dough.
Ya Allah, aku pasrahkan diriku sepenuhnya pada saat ini kepada penguasa langit dan bumi.
Put the dough in a bowl. Put ice cream in the dough. Use the dough. Put in the freezer for 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
Tada! Alhamdulillah, our mochi is done. Let's recite doa before eating. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana fima razaqtana wa qina azabannar. Amin. Let's eat. Delicious. Alhamdulillah.